Morning, everybody. Early morning, a little bit after 4 o'clock. Pre-trip's done, ready to get out of here. Leia's walked. She's good. She's back sleeping. Got some coffee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we gotta get some miles behind us. But seen that storm moved up a little bit, and I'm gonna be coming down, going right through Shreveport. I'm probably gonna catch some of that crap this morning, or well, this afternoon anyway. So we gotta get all the way close as we can to Dallas. So let's get on out of here and get started today. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Sit. Come here. Sit. You ready? Sit. Sit down. There you go. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Oh, sit. Stay there. Stay. No. Sit. Stay there. No. Yeah, we're still working on that. Hey everyone, so we are in Gurdon, Arkansas, rest area on I-30, and I thought it'd be better off if we just like changed our route up a little bit, because we were going to take our 40 to 30 to 49 to 20, take 20 in, but once I seen that storm this morning, it started moving up a little bit north, like through Shreveport, and that's where we were, exactly where we were going. So don't really have to go too much, didn't have to go out of our route, so we're just gonna stay on 30 and just take 30 the whole way, and probably be better off. Say like part of New Orleans. I mean, we weren't going nowhere near Orleans, but you know, they're starting to get pretty good part of the storm. Hey, come here. Come on. Get over here. Hey. Come on, girl. Get over here. There you go. So part of New Orleans and like Shreveport, you know, probably just a little bit safer to go this way. So, so we're just gonna stick out 30, go the rest of the way, and I think so we got about 275 miles left. So we're gonna probably just drive another hour. There's a Flying J about another 50 or 60 miles in front of us, so I only got another 2 hours I can drive, so we'll just drive another hour, get down the street, and it'll give us about, you know, just a little over 200 miles for tomorrow morning. So but starting to sprinkle here. Finished walking Leia. Hopefully she takes care of business so we can get down the road. So yeah, Flying J, that's where we're going to head up to. We'll get there. We'll check in after a while. Just trying to stay away from that storm. You know what I mean? Probably best thing. So, all right, time to go. We'll check in after a while. So we ended up doing better than what I thought I was gonna do. Like I said, I was gonna go into the Flying J. In Arkansas, there was like exit 7, and we were still making pretty good time today. And I wanted to leave like an hour left drive time for the following day because I'm starting to run on my recaps now. So we ended up just driving into Texas and got to the Loves here in Leary, Texas. It's like right outside of Texarkana. And if you've ever been to this Loves, and I forgot about it, and if I'd have remembered about it, I wouldn't even stopped here. This Loves it's right off, I-30. Gosh, what exit 213, I believe. It's like 60 parking spots. And there's nothing else around here, so this place is constantly busy. It just it's just a lot of traffic all night, and so we got a spot, but this is the only thing I'm kind of concerned about. So I just pulled into one of these spots and just like pulled straight in, which I don't normally do. I mean, this is tomorrow morning. I'm gonna have this back straight up. I don't know if you can see like through the mirror. I mean, that truck there, he's just coming in. So that's like the exit is directly behind me. I'm sorry, the entrance is directly behind me. So I got a straight shot, I can back right out. But if there's a lot of traffic, which there always is here, it could make it a little bit harder to get out of here. So, but we won't know until the morning. Tomorrow morning I could hit it just right, and there may not be that much traffic coming in. I could just back straight out and exit right out the pumps, But we got like 208 miles left, so that's really good. And I remember what I got coming back tomorrow. So I got 8 hours and 46 minutes coming back tomorrow, but which with my hour for today, so I'll have almost 10 hours for tomorrow. So we got another about 3.5 hours to where we got to go. We got to be there by 6, so that means I'm gonna have to leave here. I'm gonna have to leave here about 2 in the morning. So another early morning for us. Which, it's okay if you can get into a groove and getting up early, but like this morning I got up early. It shouldn't be that bad tomorrow. The hard part about getting up in the morning so early is just getting up. Once you get rolling, you're good to go. And plus it's a straight shot, just straight down 30, and where Fort Worth is at. So we'll see what happens. And they said it's a drop and hook, so we'll find out about that. That could change also. You never know. But, no pre-assign. That's all right. We'll get something tomorrow. They may just have us cruise back to the Dallas yard and pick something up over there. So, but get some food cooking, and it's gonna have to be it's gonna be an early night. So what time is it now? 4. So it's just a little bit after 3 o'clock. So sleep fast. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And you got anything, Leia? No? She don't have anything. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.